That we need to share more information to get a better assessment of Nafta benefits for the U.S. As you know, basically Mexico is the second largest buyer of U.S. commodities and manufacturing. And the reality is that many strategic sectors in the U.S. depend on Nafta, in the agro industries and in the manufacturing industries as well. Sometimes when you look at numbers, they help you to understand better the realities of this. For instance, when NAFTA was signed, and if you look at manufacturing jobs, they remain very constant through the years. They changed drastically in 2001 when China comes into the world trading system. But that happens to most of the countries that have to face a new competitors like China. Now, when you look at manufacturing in the US, manufacturing has been growing up in terms of value. From 1997 to 2015, the U.S. value of manufacturing grew by 38% in real terms. What has been going down is employment because of technological development and the competition with other regions in the world.
Well, we know, given what's been said, that Mexicans are very upset with the President of the United States. Is there political support in Mexico for a renegotiation of the treaty?
I believe that in Mexico, the treaty itself has been a very efficient tool to improve U.S.-Mexico relationships. You are aware that through history, the U.S.-Mexico relationship had not been very strong. But fortunately, thanks to NAFTA, the views in Mexico has changed drastically in the last 24, 25 years. And today, Mexicans feel part of a very strong North American neighborhood, and we feel very close to the U.S. people. And I believe many of us, we study in U.S. universities. A lot of American tourists come to Mexico. There are strong bonds between Mexicans and U.S. Citizens. Now, we're responsible that these very good relations continues in the future, and one of the elements that we have to defend is our economic integration.